Half-life can get crazy. That's what makes it so fun. You start with a suggestion from the audience, location, relationship, and the two players begin their scene. Now here's the catch. There's a timer that sets a 60-second time limit for that scene. Now, keep in mind that in this scene, you want to establish the who, what, and where right away. Keep the story, the scene, that is, simple. Make big choices, but don't get too crazy with your scene choreography. Keep it simple, but establish the who, what, and where. Then after the scene's done, you reset the timer for 30 seconds. The two improvisers have to their best of their memory, repeat that exact same scene in half the time. Once they've done that, they know the scene a little better because that's good. We cut it down to 15 seconds. They do the whole scene faster in 15 seconds. Then you cut it down to 7 seconds. Then 3 seconds. That's when it just gets off the rails. Here we go. I can't believe we bought a farm. It's what Dad would have wanted us to do with his inheritance. It smells really bad. It's natural fertilizer. Pure, clean, just like Dad would have wanted. I feel like going dancing. After we milk the cows, we'll go to the dance club. I don't even like milk. Me neither. Let's go dancing right now. I can't believe we actually built a farm. It's what Dad would have wanted us to do with his inheritance. It smells really bad. It's fertilizer, natural, pure. I feel like going dancing. Clean, just like Dad would have wanted. We'll go to the clubs after we milk these cows. I don't even like milk. Me neither. Let's dance right now. I can't believe we actually bought a farm. It's what Dad would have wanted us to do with his inheritance. It smells really bad. It's natural fertilizer. Pure, clean, just what Dad would have wanted. We'll go to the dance clubs after we milk these cows. I don't even like milk. Me neither. Let's dance. Pure, clean, just what Dad would have wanted. It smells really bad. We'll go to the dance clubs after we milk these cows. Me neither. Let's dance.